Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And today is our recipe of the week, which is
chicken roll-ups.
Chicken roll-ups.
So let's get to the recipe. Okay, so we're starting with our recipe. And Joel just added our homemade cream of chicken soup in the bowl. If you'd like the recipe for that, I'll link our baked chicken recipe, where we also shared our cream of chicken soup recipe within it. So that'll be in the eye in the sky. But let's get back to the recipe, okay? Tell them what that is.
Yeah, this is chili powder. It's a tablespoon chili powder. Actually, you can use as much as you want. Just, a little chili powder is good, even more is better. I'll kind of stir that in there real good.
Please ignore the background there. We cooked the chicken and we used a mini chopper to shred it up, and so that's the remnants of shredded chicken over there.
And you got a half cup of milk. I'll pour that in there. Stir it up real good. Now, this is going to be your base mixture here. You're going to take some of this. It's going to go down into the bottom of the pan. You want a 13 by 9 casserole dish to do this. Okay. If it's a little too thick, if you think it's a little too thick, you can add more milk to it. However you want to do it, it's fine.
Okay, and now he's adding shredded chicken, and it calls for what? 6 ounces?
Calls for 6 ounces.
I think that may have been more like 9 ounces of chicken in there, because a little chicken is good and a lot is better. But it's not. It wasn't even a whole chicken breast, or it was one whole chicken breast. What?
It was one
whole chicken.
Yeah, 1 9-ounce chicken breast. Okay. That's kind of your mixture right there.
And that, my friends, is going to go in the chicken roll-ups. And if you're wondering, Joel usually does this recipe. It's just one of his, and it's a really quick one.
That's why I do it.
That's why you do it? Because you like to do the really quick ones?
Yep, quick and easy.
Quick and easy. I just thought you liked making them.
Oh, yeah.
So
we've tried the faking crescent rolls, but they're not that good.
He means the ones at Aldi. They just don't make this recipe as well. They may be good for just, regular, like on the side of a dish rolls, but to make this,
the Pillsbury is
the Pillsbury
by far the
is
best.
Yeah. All right. And was it the Aldi ones that we got that were you ended up having to cut the?
No, I just bought the wrong kind.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you want to make sure you get the ones with the triangle shape. I don't know what you got the last time that one. Yeah.
It was
It wasn't crescent rolls.
No, it was crescent sheets or something.
Crescent sheets.
Something like that.
Something like that. But yeah, you want it to be in the triangle shape so you get that pretty roll like you're expecting to get.
Yep. And then into the pan. Oh.
Alright, how about let's speed this up a little bit. Oh, guys, we forgot something. We forgot to put the cheese in it. We didn't have the cheese sitting beside it, so we forgot. But anyway, so you're supposed to add shredded cheese into it. So he's going to do that, and the rest of them will have cheese in it, like it was supposed to. Okay. Okay, so now he's just adding some more in and around of the mixture. He's putting in and around the roll-ups.
You know what goes good with chicken roll-ups? Cheetos.
I made some roasted broccoli for the side of mine. Joel will probably eat Cheetos with his.
True story.
Oh, and if you don't make the homemade cream of chicken soup, you can use canned version. It'll make the dish look a little bit of a brighter yellow than what we have because there's food coloring in canned cream of chicken soup, but otherwise, you know, if you'd rather make it from homemade, it takes about 4 minutes to make homemade cream of chicken soup.
All right, well there you have it. That's our recipe for chicken roll-ups. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, something you can really throw together at a moment's notice if you have, you know, some thawed out chicken. But that's it. We hope you like it. Let us know in the comments.
Broccoli on the side.
Yeah, and Cheetos. Let us know if you try it. Let us know if you like it. If you add your own little tricks and twists to it.
That's right. You can tag us on Instagram at The Long Run with Joel and Christy and show us what it looks like when you made it.
That's right. Let us know that because we want to know. All right, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for updates from us. So whenever we post a video, it will tell you. And don't forget to click one of those videos that's floating around there. And I think that's going to do it today for The Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.